How to fix sound problem on your Tokka Word. What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue together, so let's do it. You need to open the settings of your mobile phone, click right now on apps option, search here for Tokka Word, click on it when you see it, scroll down this list, click storage, click clear cache, here back, click for stop, click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update your Tokka Word, restart your phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and bye.